Hello everyone. Welcome back to Vani Vision. Hope you all are doing well as we are discussing about the square root of infinite series. So up to now, so many problems we have done about the square root of infinite series, right? Like product, addition, subtraction, and 1 plus, 1 minus. Now 1 minus and 1 plus. If a series starts with a minus, we are going to do. Starts with minus and positive, minus plus, up to infinity. We are going to see that problem. Now, a trick, step-by-step procedure we'll see, and the trick behind that also we are going to see. Clear? Which will be very important and which will be useful for everyone. Clear? This maths background is there. If background is maths, compulsory they should know this. And not only maths, 10th class children also important. Clear? This is very important. So our topic is about square root of infinite series. When a series starts with negative, positive, so on infinity. Clear? So example here comes root over 3 minus root over 3 plus root over 3 minus root over 3, so on infinity. Same step-by-step procedure we are going to see here. Step 1, equate the series with x. X is equals to root over 3 minus root over 3 plus root over 3, so on infinity. Now step 2, as I said, step 2 and step 4 we are going to square on the both the sides. Remember. So, squaring on both the sides, x square is equals to root over 3 minus root over 3 plus root over 3, so on infinity square. What will get here? 3 minus root over 3 plus root over 3, so on infinity. Now, x square is equals to 3, step 3 is equals to replace this by x. This equation is x only, right? 3 plus x only, right? So you have to replace it by x. So now bring this 3 this side. X square minus 3 is equals to minus root over 3 plus x. Then step 4 is what? What did I say just before? What is our step 4? Step 4 is squaring on both the sides again. Then it becomes x square minus 3 whole square is equals to minus root 3 plus x whole square. Now cancel this. Minus becomes positive, right? Minus becomes plus. Then x power of 4. So again you may get doubt here how I have done. A minus b whole square formula I have used. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So here comes. So x power of 4 plus 9 minus 6x square is equals to 3 plus x. Now bring this to this side. X square minus 6x square minus 6 plus 6 is equals to 0. Now our equation is x to the power of 4. Here 4, right? X to the power of 4 minus 6x square minus x plus 6 is equals to 0. Now we should know the roots. If we know the roots only, we are going to get a solution for this series. Clear? To know the roots, we have to do the long division method. But in this video, I am not going to show you the long division method. That I will make another video. Clearly, only one example, clear step-by-step procedure. I will explain you long division method. Clear? Directly, I am going to write the roots for it. So, the roots are x plus 2, x minus 1, x square minus x minus 3 is equals to 0. Clear? X square minus x minus 3 is equals to 0. This is what are roots. By using what? By long division method. Okay. So, our answer will be what? X is equals to minus 2, x is equals to 1. Suppose x square minus x minus 3 is equals to 0 by using minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a formula you use and find out. See, our answer will not be the negative value. Our answer will be the positive values or a rational number. Okay. If it is not a perfect square, it will be of a rational number. Clear? And then now we'll go and discuss about the trick behind it. So what is our answer for this equation? It is 1. So when I use the trick also, the answer should be 1. So shall we start using the trick? So here the formula behind it is root over 4n minus 3 minus 1 by 2. In the positive, when it was starting with the positive, we have used the plus. When we are starting with the negatives, we are using minus. The difference is that. You remember that. Clear? Then substitute the n value. It is 3 minus 1 by 2. Then root over 12 minus 3 minus 1 by 2. It is root over 9 minus 1 by 2. It is 3 minus 1 by 2. That is 2 by 2 is equals to 1. So what is our answer? 1, 1. So the solution for the root over 3 minus root over 3 plus root over 3 plus so on infinity is what? 1. So is it easy? How many seconds we have taken to do this? Hardly 1 to 2 seconds, right? In the competitive examination, you're supposed to use this method. Clear? We have to use this method in the competitive examinations. If we are writing a normal examinations, clear, at the time, you're supposed to use this method. Clear? Then only for 4 on 4, you are going to get the marks. Directly, you know the answer, you know the trick. That answer, if you write, he is not going to give you the marks over there, okay? So clearly, all the steps you have to follow and you have to do. So I think so you have clearly understood what I was explaining about. Today our topic was about square root of infinite series, where it starts with a negative, positive, negative, positive. Clear? See the video till the end, then only you are going to get it. Clear? So end only I am saying this word means you have to see the video till the end. Okay? I think so. Hope it's clear for everyone. So thank you a lot. Stay tuned to Vani Vision.